Your character's just gonna glitch out and go all over the place. Also, I believe on the old game you have to drive away and drive back until you actually see your friend start glitching, and also I heard this glitch is a lot easier in the old game as well. There's so many things that could actually happen. It either glitches you out like it did over here, it either throws you, kills you, the card just goes crazy and random things happen. So I highly recommend you guys try this one out because it's a lot of fun to do and it's kind of unexpected what's going to happen.